Hey everybody, so I picked up a few items from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so picked up, went to 2 different Home Depots. I kind of forgot something, and then I went to like 3 different Walmarts. They didn't have any. So I ended up going to a different city. This was in Queen Creek, this is in Casa Grande. So we're just gonna do all of it in one video. A lot of this is for like gardening and stuff like that. So I had, let me go grab it. I'm just going to show this on camera real quick. Put these bags down. So I've had this Gilmore nozzle for probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years, maybe a little longer. I used to, technically, on the outside of this window, there's a brick step about this wide or so. I used to just leave this on that step, and it's been outside for the entire time I've owned it. The sun hitting on it and everything, and the grip and everything has held up. I used it when we first got it probably, I don't know, 15-20 times, and then I put it on that step and I forgot about it. Well, when I went to go use it, everything was fine until I picked it up one day to take it off the hose, and I dropped it. And I guess the sun beating on the outside of this metal, actually didn't realize the inside was plastic. Well, the brass adjustable nozzle, a jet nozzle at the end, broke. So went and picked up, it still sprays, it just, when you pull the trigger, if you pull it slowly, sometimes it sprays like a flat. And then if you pull the trigger all the way down, it will eventually physically actually turn into a jet, but it's not a precise jet. So I went and picked up a couple nozzles. One of the nozzles is actually the same brand, which is this one right here. It says Gilmore Pro. I might be able to contact them and see if this still has a warranty, because this says lifetime warranty. But this is the new design. On this one, it's got a plastic adjustment knob for the handle, and it has a brass plunger. On this one, it has a brass adjustment knob and a brass plunger. This one's a lot easier to move. It's not stiff. This one was always stiff. Even when I bought it, it was stiff. But we're gonna give this newer model style a try. Also got a similar one from Walmart, which is this guy right here. It's also a Gilmore. But this one has the pull handle, and this one's got the switch. It's Gilmore. This one is definitely heavier. I got this one from Home Depot. This one was from Walmart. But this one doesn't have a swivel right here, where this one does. This one actually has a swivel attachment on it. But you know what? I'll just bring this one into the Home Depot haul, because the only other thing that's in the Walmart one is a toothbrush. We'll just bring that one in, and then I grabbed a bunch more of these quick couplers that just thread onto the bottom of the tool. I also need to get a garden style wand that basically has the shower style for gardening. We'll get it later. It's like 26 or something bucks. It's not really that bad. I grabbed 8 of these just in case. These are called male metal quick connects. Just gonna cut those off real quick. You know, it's never a bad thing to have extra quick connects. I use them quite a bit for every attachment. I have attachments that I leave in the backyard, attachments that I leave in the front yard. So I grabbed 8 of those. These are cheaper at Walmart. This is what I was looking for at Walmart. Problem is they're $1.10 or something at Walmart. Problem is no Walmart had them. So. And Lowe's is more expensive, I think, than Home Depot. I think Lowe's is like $4 or $5 for one of these, where these were like $3.80 or $3.90 something. But I figured it wouldn't be that bad to grab several. This says heavy duty. This says lifetime warranty as well. This bottom piece says reduces hose kink. So just a bunch of nozzles that I picked up. I do like the Gilmore's. The Gilmore emblem on this one is actually like a piece of steel that's glued on, and this one is just, you know, etched on, or I think it's like painted on. But we'll just unbox them real quick. It's, you know, just a couple zip ties. And these are Melnor's pulsating nozzle. They also have a massive version of this one. It's like a 46-inch long stick. This nozzle turns. Figured to give this one a try. If I like this nozzle, then I will go grab the longer one. It shows a truck on it, like it's used for cleaning mud off your truck, stuff like that. I've never used a pulsating nozzle. It says 40 pulses per second, metal core, no slip grip. I'll probably keep these for a little while, take pictures of them or something, that way I can remember them. Probably remind me to contact Gilmore and see if they can replace the one that I have that broke. You know, and I only dropped it from, I think it was like 2 or 3 feet. It wasn't that bad. But these are all the nozzles that were picked up today. This one was to replace this one, and it's got really smooth action. I like that. This one was never smooth. It was always kind of hard, and it never moves very much. So this one, it's got a large range of motion. So, you know, there's a large, different, infinite variable of spray speed. On this one, it's just a really short stroke. It's like 1/4 of an inch is all it moves. And these, you know, we'll see if I like these style nozzles for the speed control. The other 3 of them have that style. But, you know, these are just to go on here like that. So there's 4 used, and there's 4. I have 4 left. I think I have 1 in my toolbox. So it's not a large haul. This one, just to remind you, I got it at Walmart. This was $9 at Walmart. This one was $12. And the Gilmores are always more expensive. This one was $13, and this one was like $16. Okay, so TED pattern thumb, this one right here, was $13.98, so I was wrong, it was not $16. This one's $13.98. Cleaning nozzle, this one right here was $14.97, and this one was $12.97. So this one right here, this Gilmore, was basically $3 more expensive than this one. But we'll give them a try. I'll let you guys know how well they work and if they're worth it. And we'll probably do a review on them later down the road. Maybe a 1-year review. Appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for watching and sticking around with me. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!